Hello, hi, good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Sandra Nangan. I'm 41 years old. I have two children, 16 years old and 14 years old. I have experience in Oman in 3 years. I take care of the baby. I wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock in the morning. I prepare myself. I prepare my breakfast, my the children, and then I take the shower, change the clothes, and give the food, and then I bring the outside inside the bus, go to school.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I need the salary to support my children to go to the school, go to the college. Mom, sir, please give me the chance, and then I promise to you I give to the best in my work. Thank you.
How long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
I experience is finished 2 years is above.
Or more?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
I I know to cook only basic. So I do to the best I learned. I see the YouTube for the cook.
You can see the YouTube to learn
Yes.
for Chinese food.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.